before the pandemic, and this part of the paper I presented in the US, we developed an online learning program.
I see.
So in 2015, we decided 70% of our training programs would be online. And
Mhm.
at that time,
Mhm.
only 15% of global online learning programs get completed. So there's only 15% completion
That's
at
a,
that time in
yeah,
2015.
that's a big dropout.
So yeah, and so that's a big challenge, no? So what I did, I tested various ways on how to develop online training programs so that by 2019 we have 100% completion.